What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have high yield dividend stocks, 5 of them, that are REITs that I've been buying. Again, I'm loading up in the financial sector stocks and real estate stocks. And I'm still holding these stocks. I really like them. And as I said before, diversification is important. And I'll have a video with Zim because there's some interesting news with them. So I'll have that posted and ready for you to check out tomorrow. So dividend growth history is important with real estate investment trusts. Now, I'm not going to report the FFO. I have done that in previous videos of these stocks. But I'm going to continue to buy these stocks. And I have videos on previous stocks. Just search Dark Dividend and usually do the stock symbol or stock name, and you'll find it on my channel. Another thing is, I'm looking at the statistics. A lot of you guys watch my channel but have not subscribed. You're missing out on some very fun videos that I make and very strategic videos that I make towards my dividend portfolio, as well as doing a stock analysis and dividend stock analysis videos on certain stocks. So again, if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this REIT out right now. And NNN is one REIT that I've been loading up on. They're sitting at 42.97. They have not done well against the S&P in the past 5 years and since the pandemic. So these guys are taking a beating. Their revenue is strong. They have a strong portfolio. The average volume is 988.68K. Market cap is 7.82 billion US dollars. Its year range is 3805 to 4842. Day range 4271 to 4321. Its previous close was 4286. I'm going to review these guys very brief and then go over their revenue and dividend history. So they have a pretty strong portfolio, 3,449 properties. So that's important. The bigger, the better, especially if there's a possible recession going on. So their portfolio is very strong with very strong tenants. So that's always important. And they have a 99.4% occupancy. They got 7-Eleven, Mr. Car Wash. That's a big part of their portfolio. Camping World, LA Fitness, GPM Investments, Flynn Restaurant Group, which is Taco Bell and Arby's, Dave & Buster's, AMC. They have 20 properties. So AMC shareholders, you better hope that AMC stock and AMC as a company pays their landlord, or else guess what? They'll close the doors on you. BJ's Wholesale Club, Mavis Tire Express Services, 134 locations. They have Walgreens, Chuck E. Cheese, let's see, Lifetime Fitness, Best Buy, and Bob Evans, 106. That is a lot. Now let's go to the revenue and dividend history. And usually with a strong occupancy rate, landlords get their money and the board of directors feel very confident and they hike their dividend. So look at this revenue annually. 2016, 533, 2017, 584, 2018, 622, 2019, 670, 2020, a little bit of a hit with the pandemic, 660, 2021, 726, and 2022, 773. So they have consistent revenue trends that are going up. That's extremely impressive. Now, I'm not going to go over their FFO, but usually with the revenue trends that go up, the dividend goes up. Let's check out their dividend history on Zacks. So I'm going to start with 2011. They were 38 cents, the dividend, to 39 cents. Then in 2012, they jumped to 40 cents. 2013, they jumped to 41 cents. So you're seeing about a cent raise each year. 2014, 42 cents. 2015, 44 cents. Nice. 2016, 46 cents. 2017, 48 cents. 50 cents in 2018. 2019, 52 cents. To 53 cents. 2021. Then they jumped to 55 cents in 2023. Their payout ratio is 68%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 2.36%. So if you bought one share, you made 220 with a 5.13% dividend yield. So again, strong occupancy rate, strong companies that pay their landlord. That's always a bonus. Remember, 90% of what they make is a REIT go back to the investors. Now let's check out the next dividend stock or REIT. Next one is Agree Realty Corporation. I'd consider them a rival to Realty Income, and I'll explain to you why later. Average volume 0.09K, market cap 6.15 billion US dollars, a year range of 63.34 to 80.44, day range of 65.73 to 66.54, and a previous close of 65.99. Now let's check these guys out. And every time I go to their website, it's like, geez, they got another property. So they have 1,908 properties, 40 million square feet, and 68% of an investment grade. But we need to look a little bit more into them. So looking at their portfolio, these are very similar to Realty Income. 7-Eleven, they have a lot of them, and they have a strong occupancy rate. 24-Hour Fitness, Zaxby's, West Marine, Wendy's, Wegmans, Wawa, a lot of that. Walmart Supercenter, which is very good for diversification. A lot of Walmarts. They have Market, Walmart Neighborhood Market. There's more Walmart. Walgreens, Waffle House, Verizon, United Rentals, Ulta, Tractor Supply. That's a big company right there. So I'm just going over a few of them. Starbucks, Sherwin-Williams, O'Reilly Auto Parts, Mattress Firm, Home Depot, Goodyear, Fresenius, that is a dialysis center. So Warren Buffett, I remember, invested in, I forget which one it was, but unfortunately people are getting sicker and there's a rise in diabetes. Guess what? When you don't control your diabetes, your kidneys get fried. You need to be in dialysis. So that's a pretty strong one too. A lot of Fresenius. There's a Food for Less, Dollar General, Chick-fil-A, Burger King, Bridgestone, Best Buy, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts. Very good portfolio. Now let's go over their revenue and dividend history. So check this out. This is their revenue annually in millions US dollars. 91, 2017, 111, 2018, 137, 2019, 187, 2020, 248, 2021, 339, 2022, 429. That's a huge increase in revenue. Now let's check out their dividend history. And this is what put these guys on the map. So look at this. Quarterly dividend, 2016, 47 cents to 48 cents to 50 cents. 51 cents, 2018, 52 cents to 54 cents to 56 cents. And then they jumped to 59 cents in 2020. And then they jumped to 60 cents. And then they jumped to 60 cents in 2021. And all of a sudden, 2021, they are a monthly dividend real estate investment trust. They're at 21 cents. They cracked 22 cents. They cracked 23 cents in 2021. Just cracked 24 cents in 2022. They have a decent payout ratio of 74%. Again, they have a strong portfolio. Dividend increases in the last 5 years is 11. Dividend growth in 5 years is 6.81%. If you bought one share, you made $292 with a 4.42% dividend yield. Let's jump to the next dividend stock or REIT. I'm going to say Wiki Properties. Weni, Weedy, Wiki. I came, I saw, I conquered. So 3184. I took Latin, by the way, so I'm hoping I said that correct. Average volume is 4.29 million. The market cap is 31.97 billion US dollars. Its year range is 27.75 to 35.69. Day range is 31.63 to 31.96, and its previous close was 31.60. So I have done numerous reviews. These guys are a major landlord in a lot of casino properties. Now let's check out their revenue and dividend history. So here's their revenue annually in millions US dollars. 2017, 187, 2018, 897, 2019, 894, 2020, 1,225, 2021, 1,509, and 2022, 2,600. Huge increase in revenue as compared to the pandemic. They still have increased their dividend, which is nice, and that's very strong. Check out their dividend history. So 2018, they were at 16 cents to 26 cents to 29 cents, then 29, 30 cents to 33 cents, 2021, 36 cents to 39 cents and 3. Payout ratio is 78%. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. Dividend growth in 5 years is 8.31%, which is nice. Bought one share, you made 156 with a 4.94% dividend yield. I have done extensive reviews on these guys. Check it out on my YouTube channel and my previous videos. Now let's jump to the next dividend stock. CubeSmart is my next dividend stock that I've been loading up on, or a real estate investment trust. It is, I did a video on this. You're going to have to find it on my channel. A lot of you guys have had me do reviews on it, but I just search stock symbol or the stock name, then put my name, Dart Dividend, in the search bar. You might find it. Average volume 1.64 million. The market cap is 10.19 billion US dollars. Year range is 3682 to 5108. Day range is 4470 to 4535. Its previous close is 494. Now check out this revenue and dividend history, and you probably will see these guys on the highway. So check out their revenue annually. This is in millions US dollars. 2016, 510, 2017, 558, 2018, 597, 2019, 643, 2020, 679, 2021, 822, and 2022, 1009. Very, very attractive. Now let's jump to their dividend history. So as the real estate sector and financial sector take a beating, this is what I've been loading up on, why I've been loading up on them. Again, I have extensive reviews. Check out my channel, and you got to hit that notification bell after you subscribe, because you guys are missing out on a lot of videos. 2012, 8 cents to 11 cents. 2014, 13 cents. 2015, 16 cents. 2016, 21 cents. 2017, 27 cents. 2018, 30 cents. 2019, 32 cents. 2020, 33 cents to 34 cents to 43 cents in 2022. And they're at 49 cents. Payout ratio is a little bit high at 75% per Zacks. Not too worried. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 10.21%. If you bought one share, you made 196 with a 4.36% dividend yield. Now let's jump to the final REIT. And this REIT I've been capitalizing on since the huge dip in 2021. I sold them for a profit and have been rebuying innovative industrial properties. Sitting at 69.29, average volume 339.34K. The market cap is 1.94 billion US dollars. Its year range is 63.36 to 37.33. Day range is 67.90 to 69.73. Previous close 67.89. Done numerous reviews on these guys. A lot of you guys want me to do remixes. I have done a few of them, so make sure you check that out on my channel. I'm going to jump to their revenue and dividend history, but I'm going to sum this up. A lot of the Mary Jane stocks are very volatile. There's not a lot of guarantee. But this one is an industrial real estate investment trust who is a landlord pretty much to Mary Jane Farms. So they have to pay rent to their landlord. Why I like these guys, and this is probably the best Mary Jane stock out there / REIT, if you ask me. Let me know in the comment section, of course, at the end of this video, what you think of innovative industrial properties. Now let's jump to their revenue and dividend history. This one might be a little challenging because of rent and everything. So this one is definitely, this one right here, is probably the riskiest one because, you know, obviously diversification is important. But again, these guys are in a very volatile community, and this could be a cash crop, but I'm taking the risk with these guys. So there could be a risk of a dividend cut if the landlords aren't paying rent. So just always remember, you know, bigger is better and more diversification is better. Like Agree Realty Corporation, like a Spirit Realty Capital. CubeSmart is mostly self-storage, but they appear to be fine. But this one's probably the biggest risk of the 5. So 2016 annually, 26 cents. 2017, 6.42. 2018, 14.78. 2019, 44. 2020, 1.16. 2021, 2.04. 2022, 2.76. Now let's jump to their dividend history. Now you see what I mean. These guys exploded, and there could be a dividend cut in the future. I don't know if this dividend's completely stable, so I'm just pointing that out. Of course, I have a disclaimer at the end of this video. 2017, it's 15 cents. 2018, 25 cents. 2.35 cents. 2019, 45 cents. 2.60 cents. 78 cents. 2020, they cracked $1. 2020, they cracked 106. 2020, they cracked 117 to 124. And then all of a sudden in 2023, they're 180. They're a little stagnant with their dividend. They have a high payout ratio of 83%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 13. Dividend growth in 5 years is 48.05%, which is crazy. So if you bought one share, you made $720 with a 10.60% dividend yield. So before I jump to the disclaimer, there's always a risk with investing in dividend stocks. So things can blow up in my face with my investments. So I'm just letting you know, these are all risk, but this one's the highest risk, if you ask me. Don't always put all your eggs in one basket, and you can lose a lot of money. So I'm just pointing that out, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. You guys have a great Monday. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer notice. This is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. Always consult with a financial advisor regarding financial advice. I do not give financial advice. I will tell you I do not give financial advice. There's always a risk regarding investing, and you can lose a lot of money. My channel is for entertainment purposes only, and I reveal to you my dividend investing journey. Do not take this with any form of financial advice in these videos. I hope you enjoy my video, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thank you so much for watching this.